Okay, boom, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not from KingMixUp, it's not credible, and you already know the deal, my peeps. Me there yourself a telling the war go on for not to go on, you see me? So obviously, the dancehall artist Masicka hasn't responded within the 24-hour time span to Skillibeng's up at this track. He is considered disqualified and them lose the clash. You see what I say? But nevertheless, one side finds them upset and them life sad. Them just all over the place. I call up bear man name for come defend. You know, one flame Masicka, you see what I say? And one man them keep on a call up is Rytikal. You see what I say? Skillibeng not shy from questions responded to. You know, Masicka fans them, you know, saying that, you know, them can send Rytikal since them say them are gonna send him for conk. Skillibeng in him head because him a style up Masicka wickedly in a zappaism. So them forward again back with the same Rytikal argument, cause you know say such man trap one tune, gun mouth, you see man say intense, you know what I mean? But this is what Masicka fans them had to say. Who I gotta tell Skillibeng that Rytikal does it better. So Skillibeng said this, my last time addressing this. Very good artist, Rytikal, however, I got tell you say a me build a style and a floor them. You see me say one thing me can tell uno internet warrior, the more no fight and try fight me, the stronger me get. All if I when me dead, me get me flowers uno go know uno soon find out. You see me say, and the big P Rytikal need for come tell uno who make uno know anything at all about him. And who teach him for record this way. You see me say, I can do anything I put my mind to. Another tabon, Rytikal can never wrote, well, you know, write a song for me if Rytikal was my writer, or you know what. Put in the comment section if you agree with Skillibeng. No, there's a lot of people out here like to discredit people and, you know, tell a bunch of lies to fit their narrative. Well, dancehall King Vybz Kartel is responding to Tony Matterhorn saying that, you know, Gaza Nation is not supporting him. This is what I say. And you can look at his sold out record in 2025 Stadium Shell Arena Shell. This is what I say. So big up Gaza Nation for buying him concert tickets because, whoa, leave it up to some people out here who they not gonna know the truth. This is what I say. And them already say try to make Masicka look good for whatever reasons, I don't know. But ironically, Dima saying Tony is ungrateful, because you know I'm all yes, so I try to make Cartel look ungrateful and all of these things. But Tony Matterhorn did have the dirty wine, and them never put Dima on, never give her bookings, never give her highlight, never give her $1 out of the money. And she say, him thief it from my bay and run with it. You know what I mean? So I'm just giving them a quick update while I go on from the one. So do the right thing and subscribe to me, the king. He's a mercy. And turn on your notification bell and check out these next suggested videos and it's upon the screen. In the meantime, bless.